Today, spa treatments are more than pampering. They are a requisite for looking and feeling great. The Nu Skin Galvanic Spa System 2 brings your day spa home to you. Now, no appointment is necessary to rejuvenate your complexion, revitalize your scalp, and refine your body. For more than 50 years, spa and salon professionals have used galvanic currents in customized treatments to refresh and energize the skin. Through a gentle massaging action, these currents help focus cellular energy and enhance circulation. Based on the scientific principle that like charges repel, the Galvanic Spa 2 encourages the absorption of charged ingredients, emitting a positive or negative galvanic current that works synergistically with specially formulated treatment products. By applying positive and negative galvanic currents to the skin, an esthetician can perform a variety of skin beneficial treatments at a day spa. Now, with the Galvanic Spa 2, you can get these same beneficial treatments in the convenience of your own home. With more options and more control than the average at-home galvanic instrument, the Nu Skin Galvanic Spa System 2 gives you all the rejuvenating benefits of several spa treatments. Patented programmability enables you to choose the current polarity and length of treatment, so you can coordinate the instrument with different products for a variety of targeted benefits. Carefully controlled research led to Nu Skin's patent-pending discovery that a treatment with the Galvanic Spa 2 instrument that lasts 5 minutes or more can enhance the delivery of key ingredients for up to 24 hours after treatment. It will even enhance the effects of active ingredients in anti-aging products you apply after the treatment session. The Galvanic Spa System 2 is the only home spa system that features 3 interchangeable conductors, designed to deliver remarkable health and beauty benefits to the face as well as the scalp and body. When you're tired or stressed, it shows. Revitalize your complexion with the Galvanic Spa Face Conductor and pre-treatment and treatment facial gels. The pre-treatment facial gel draws out impurities and dulling debris so pores can breathe. The treatment facial gel delivers beneficial nutrients to calm and revive the skin, facilitating recovery from stress. In just minutes, your skin will look and feel vibrant. For best results, perform a Galvanic Spa 2 facial treatment at least once a week. For healthier, more abundant-looking hair, use the Galvanic Spa 2 Scalp Conductor with Nutriol Hair Fitness Treatment featuring trichogoxal, a species of brown algae that remineralizes the scalp. This revitalizing and strengthening formula helps restore fullness and shine. For best results, first wash your hair with Nutriol shampoo. Rinse and towel dry. Then apply Nutriol Hair Fitness Treatment and gently massage your scalp with the Galvanic Spa 2 Scalp Attachment. Nutriol Hair Fitness Treatment is a leave-in treatment, so there's no need to rinse your hair after completing your massage with the Galvanic Spa 2 instrument. Simply style your hair and go. For shapelier legs, use the Galvanic Spa 2 Body Conductor with Body Shaping Gel. Ergonomically designed, the Body Conductor has 3 rounded nodes to maximize skin contact for wider coverage and better massaging. Body Shaping Gel's exclusive formula features theobromine and golden chamomile to enhance firmness and even out dimpled areas. By helping increase circulation to remove toxins, this advanced formula promotes a smoother, more toned appearance. In fact, research indicates that when Galvanic Spa 2 Body Shaping Gel treatments are performed twice daily, in the morning and evening, you'll experience even greater benefits. With the Nu Skin Galvanic Spa System 2, you can enjoy the benefits of expensive Galvanic Spa treatments in the convenience of your own home. So bring the day spa to you and enjoy a more radiant complexion, healthier looking hair, and an overall improved appearance. You'll look so good, people will wonder how you find the time.